Don't panic when you encounter a blue screen error. I'm going to show you how to fix this problem step by step. Let's begin. Now click on Advanced Options, then select Troubleshoot, select Advanced Options, and then select Command Prompt. It will open Command Prompt window. Now execute this command carefully. Type chkdsk/f/r/c: and hit enter to execute this command. Type C: and hit enter to execute the command. Type cd space C: / and hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space Windows and hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd system32 and hit enter. Type in cd space config and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command carefully. Type in md space backup and simply hit enter to execute it. Now type copy space *.* space backup and hit enter. Now type md backup1 and hit enter. Now execute this command carefully. Type in copy space *.* space backup1, then simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd regback and hit enter. Then type dir and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type in copy space *.* space .. and then hit enter. After that type all and again hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type bootrec space /fixmbr and simply hit enter. Now type in bootrec space /fixboot and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type in cd space C: / and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type cd space Windows /system32 /config /regback, then simply hit enter to execute this command. Now type this command bcdedit space /export space C: / bcd backup and hit enter. Now type cd space C: / and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space boot and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now type md space bcd and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now type cd space C: / and simply hit enter. Type attrib C: / boot /bcd -h-r-s and hit enter. Now type ren space C: / /boot /bcd space bcd.old, then simply hit enter to execute this command. Now execute this command. Type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type exit and hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.